In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft Dungeons on your PC and how to play it using a PS5 controller. So let's get started. First, download and install Steam. Open any web browser like Chrome or Edge and go to the search bar and type in Steam. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the official Steam website. Once you're on the page, click on the Install Steam button at the top right. On the next page, hit the blue Install Steam button to start downloading the setup file. Once downloaded, run the setup and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your PC. Now get Minecraft Dungeons on Steam. After Steam is installed, open the app and log in or create an account. Click on the search bar at the top and type Minecraft Dungeons. Click on the game from the search results. Scroll down and click Add to Cart. Then, click on View My Cart. Click Continue to Payment and agree to the Steam terms by ticking the checkbox, then click Purchase. Once you've completed the purchase, Minecraft Dungeons will appear in your Steam library. You can find it under the download sections where it will install automatically. Now set up your PS5 controller using DS4 Windows. To play Minecraft Dungeons with your PS5 controller, you'll need to use a free tool called DS4 Windows. Here's how. Open your browser and search for DS4 Windows. Click the official link, usually from GitHub, and then click the download button. Once it's downloaded, go to your downloads folder, find the zip file and right-click it. Choose Extract All. After extracting, open the folder and double-click on DS4 Windows exe file to run it. When DS4 Windows opens, choose where to save your settings, either Program Folder or App Data. And since you are using a PS5 controller, check the box for DualSense. Close the prompt and click Install when asked to install the required drivers. Follow the installation steps and then agree to the terms and finish the setup. Now here's how you are going to connect your PS5 controller to the PC. For wired connection, take your PS5 USB-C charging cable, plug one end into your PC and the other end into your controller. The light on your controller should turn on, that means it's connected. Then open DS4 Windows and click Start. Your controller should now be detected. For Bluetooth connection, on your PC, search for Bluetooth and open Bluetooth and other devices. Click Add Bluetooth or other device. Put your controller in pairing mode by holding the PS button plus Create button until it blinks. When it appears in the list, click it to pair. Open DS4 Windows and click Start to complete the setup. Then, launch Minecraft Dungeons and play. Go back to Steam, open your library, and launch Minecraft Dungeons. Your PS5 controller should now work, allowing you to navigate menus and play the game. If you need to customize the button layout, you can do so inside DS4 Windows or directly in the game's controller settings if available. And that's it! Now you know how to download Minecraft Dungeons on your PC and play it with your PS5 controller.